Hi guys, so this video is about Firebase Studio. So all you are seeing the post and articles about Firebase Studio nowadays floating around the LinkedIn and other related technical platforms. So let's explore today what it offers to us. So if you see their official page, okay, so this says this is the cloud-based agentic development environment designed to accelerate how you build, test, and deploy. So it has the capability to build, test, deploy on the same platform. Okay, and it is a cloud-based platform, and and run production quality AI application all in one place. Okay, so let's see the welcome page. So if you see, this is the welcome page of Firebase Studio, and here this is the prototype agent. Okay, so you can write your prompt. If you see, these are the example prompt are floating here. So in the same way, you can generate your prototype of your app, whatever you have in your mind. You can just prompt it and it will generate a prototype app for you with the images. So if you want to add the images in your prototype, you can put the images here and it will generate the prototype for you. If you see, like, I have tried these are the some prototype I have tried with, so I'll show you later in the video. So first, see, if you see this rail, okay, so it has the capabilities of all of this. Okay, it can create no the Android project, native Android project for you, Flutter for you, Angular for you. So it has all the capabilities listed here. See, React is here. So let's create one workspace. Okay, so if you click on that new workspace, this page will open and it is categorized. So if you see the web development, so you can do the web development with Firebase Studio with these, using this framework. Okay, React is here, Angular is here, Next.js is here. Whatever you can choose, it will create the project, and if you want to prototype, it can do the prototype for you. And if you see the backend, it has the Go, Python, Java, .NET, Node Express. And if you see the mobile, so it has the Android Studio Cloud. It can build the app with Flutter, React Native, and also it has the AI and ML database and whatnot. Okay, so I have created one. Okay, so if you, for mobile development, if you create on this Android Studio Cloud, okay, so it will ask you the name of the app. So just you need to enter the name of the app and just click on this create, and it will automatically create the app for you. Okay, so let me show you the app I have created with the Android Studio. So if you see this the sample app I have created in Android Studio. So if you see the look and feel, it is totally same that we experience in our no local Android Studio. So it has the same look and feel, right? It has the Gemini and all the structure are like I guess all the look and feel and the feature all are same. And let's go back to the Firebase Studio. If we create web app with React, the same process will be followed. You just need to put your put the name of your app and choose the language you want, and just click on the create, and it will create the workspace for you. So I have created this sample React app. Okay, so if you see this our app.jsx we have, it is created, And if you notice and if you see the Firebase Studio look and feel, right, it is it is similar to the VS Code. Correct, it is more similar to the VS Code. And I have read in the article, so this no Firebase Studio is built on Code OSS, that is open source foundation of VS Code. Okay, so what the open source project, that the foundation of VS Code, it is created on top of that. So that's why the look and feel is the same. Okay, and let's create one for backend. Okay, so if you click this Java, and you just need to know mm, you just need to type your service, let's say testing service, whatever the name, maybe email service, whatever the name you want to give, it will create the Spring Boot web service or Spring Boot app for you. Let me show you. I have created one here. If you see this testing service I have created, and this is the REST template it generated. If you see, this is the REST controller class, and the this is the get method. Okay, if you see the resource file is there, so it generate all the the JetBrains typically generate for us when we create the Spring Boot app. So it generate the same. And if you notice that this Firebase Studio is capable of all the things. Okay, it can create the beaver for you, it can create the backend for you, it can create the AI and AI apps for you. Everything it can create. So these are the feature and the capabilities listed here. You and these are the even though if you see there are templates. If you see here, you can search the templates. If you see, these are the different templates here, packages here. Okay, even the, let's say, what can I search? JSON. See, these packages are here. I have seen the templates here. What can I search? Let's say database. Where it is, yeah. Okay, in the extension, sorry, in the extension, if you click on this extension, then you can search. If you see, these all the plugins you can install here. Okay, so these are the template and these are the supported development Firebase Studio now, but it has some limitation as of now. Maybe in the future the limitation will be removed, and it is a fully phased development environment providers on the single platform. Okay, and by the way, it is not free. Okay, it is a cloud based platform. So if you see, they have mentioned on their official website only 3 workspace are free. If you want to generate more, you have to pay for it. Okay, and let's do one last thing. Create one create write a prompt. So an app that generates, let's say, an app that helps me with my day-to-day work, and you just type to prototype with AI, and it start building the prototype. If you see, this is the interface of the Firebase Studio. See, it is starting, and it also describe, or what maybe it is, it also know what the app should look like. And if you click on this prototype, it will generate the prototype for you. You can also change the prototype if you don't like. Let's say that it has the calendar integration. If you want anything to add, you can type, and the agent will add for you. And just click on this prototype the app, and it will start creating your prototype. See, isn't it great? If you see, and if it is any error, and something that you have to install manually, or if install manually any plugin that is needed, it will throws an error, and it will tell you, okay, this particular plugin you need to install. And it will also tell you the error and the exact location where it is. So if you see here, it is generating the project structure for you. See, see, this is it has generated. So there is a one issue it has, so it will show you here. So let's close it for now. If you see, this add button is here, you can add the task here. It's showing the progress chart, calendar, everything, right? Dashboard, the task is here. Correct. Now you can open it on the Firebase Studio. So maybe why it is not running, maybe this is the one issue, or it is just a screenshot. I'm not sure, because I'm also using the first time. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, maybe it is the output what it should work. Okay, so it is saying we need to enter the Gemini API key. Okay, that maybe we need some keys to play with. Okay, but yeah, so we have tried out this Firebase Studio, and on the first time, on my view, it is a great tool. So all the things are no are at one place on the cloud, but it is a pad, like it is a part of the Google Cloud. So definitely, I mean, surely it will be the paid one. So yeah, okay, try out by your own, and comment below like what are your experience. And I have just no explore it first time in this video only. So I will explore more in the future, and I'll keep an eye on the update. Thank you for listening and watching the video. I hope it will it will it will give you the good understanding about the Firebase Studio, what is Firebase Studio, and feature and capabilities. Thank you for watching.